Why do 90% of people struggle to keep their job, their relationships, or their power? Because they make themselves replaceable. This law changes everything. I'm going to show you how to become the person everyone needs. Welcome back to Elite Insight Audiobooks. I'm breaking down the 48 laws of power, one law at a time. Today is Law 11, and trust me, this one hits different. Imagine you work at a company. You're good at your job. You show up on time. You do what you're told. But one day they let you go. Why? Because anyone can do what you do. Now imagine a different person. This person has a special skill. Maybe they know how to fix the one machine nobody else understands. Maybe they have relationships with the most important clients. When the boss thinks about firing them, he stops. Why? Because without this person, everything falls apart. That's Law 11. Make yourself irreplaceable. Robert Greene tells us a simple truth. To maintain your independence, you must always be needed and wanted. The moment you are not needed, you lose your power. Let me give you a real example. There was a man named Otto von Bismarck. He was a powerful leader in Germany. He made sure that only he knew certain secrets about the government. Only he had relationships with certain powerful people. When others tried to replace him, they couldn't. Why? Because Bismarck made himself the only person who could do his job. You can do this too. Learn something at work that nobody else knows. Become the expert on one thing. Make yourself the go-to person. When you're the only solution, you have power. This sounds harsh, but listen. If you teach someone everything you know, they don't need you anymore. They can replace you. Think about a master chef. He has secret recipes. He doesn't share them with everyone. Why? Because those secrets keep customers coming back to his restaurant, not someone else's. Or think about your own life. Maybe you're really good at solving computer problems for your family. If you teach them everything, they stop calling you. But if you help them without revealing all your tricks, they keep depending on you. This doesn't mean be selfish. It means be smart. Share some knowledge, but keep your special skills valuable. Here's the game changer. Most people chase others. They beg for jobs, they try to please everyone. But powerful people flip this. They make others chase them. How? By being excellent at something important. By solving a problem nobody else can solve. By having connections nobody else has. Think about a good doctor. He doesn't beg for patients. Patients come to him because they need his skills. That's the position you want to be in, whether it's your job, your friendships, or your business. The moment you become desperate and people know they can replace you, your value drops to zero. Here's what you do today. Pick one skill at your job or in your life that you can master better than anyone else around you. Maybe it's a software program. Maybe it's talking to difficult customers. Maybe it's organizing projects. Start becoming the expert in that one thing. Don't announce it. Just quietly become the person everyone turns to when they need that problem solved. In 30 days, you'll notice people depending on you more. That's power. Next time, we're covering Law 12. Use selective honesty to disarm your victim. This one is wild. You won't believe how honesty can be a weapon. If this helped you, hit subscribe. We're going through all 48 laws. Don't get left behind. This is Elite Insight Audiobooks. Stay powerful.